In December last year in central London, Press TV reporters filmed hundreds of homeless and needy people queuing up to feed themselves in makeshift free food distribution centres. This particular centre was just one of many dotted around the country, providing shelter and a social space for the poorest in society. But now a new report out by the Resolution Foundation, an independent UK-based think tank, has revealed that the number of people turning to food banks is expected to double. Millions more families are on a financial edge due to low wages, high personal debts and a future increase of interest rates. A senior economist from the foundation described these burdens as unbearable and dangerous.
I have recently now seen more people who are here because they've been made redundant and have been unemployed for a little while. People who are working full-time and they're not earning enough to pay for childcare, for food, for heat.
Around 15% of households in the UK spend a quarter of their income on repaying debts such as mortgages. But the worrying factor here is that the interest attached to these mortgages are set to rise, meaning more households are going to be living on a smaller income. Ever since the coalition government took office 2 years ago, poor families have had to endure billions of pounds of cuts after cuts. Experts warn that the austerity measures could kill off economic recovery.
Not going to hide hard choices from the British people or bury them in the small print of the budget document. The British public are going to hear them straight from me here at this dispatch box.
We have to find greater savings in the welfare bill. £10 billion of welfare savings by the first full year of the next Parliament.
The misery is set to continue for millions of people living under the poverty line in the UK. An estimated 3 new food banks are being opened every week. The cold and the spread of hunger will remain the forecast for the bottom of society during this winter period. Hassan Al-Khatib, Press TV, London.